Wow, okay. Stop doing that. Be normal. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another styling video for you. This one is more of a smart casual outfits type video. I tried to push myself a little bit out of my comfort zone with this one. So some of them are a little bit girlier or a little bit smarter than I would normally go for. So this first outfit I'm actually not super in love with. I always find the first outfits in these videos like you should just write them off, but I think deleting them kind of interrupts the flow, so we're gonna roll with this. The top is from Zara, the jeans are from Topshop, the shoes are from YSL, and the bag is from Chloe. I switch up the accessories in these videos a lot. I know some of you think it's a bit much, but I do like to show how different accessories can kind of change an outfit, or even just how you could have other things in your wardrobe that could still work. Just because you don't have like one set of accessories, you might have a different set. So hence you can see like I changed the bag and shoes in this, and it really does change the vibe. I actually prefer the second set, like the wicker set. It's a favourite of mine, which you will have seen from the previous videos and you'll see again in this one. But I just love the top and I really wanted to include it in this video. It's just gorgeous. Like, I love the bow. It's a running theme in my wardrobe at the moment. It's actually like I need to stop. And then I've also just actually added this little Gucci hair clip, which I got for Christmas and I love. It's really like bougie and over the top. And a little bit gross, but I'm obsessed with it. This second outfit is one that I love so much. The shirt is from Topshop, and again the jeans are obviously from Topshop, and oh, that bag is from a little independent store in Brighton, and the shoes are from a brand called Raid. I just love the vibe of this outfit. This outfit also looks great. I think I've done a day to night version of this outfit as well. And I also keep just throwing this Saint Laurent bag on because it really does go with so many of my outfits right now, and as you'll see later, it goes really well if you're mixing black and kind of like that sand colour. Here we go. Here's the heels. I love these heels. They're from Topshop. They're actually the Suzie heels. Amazing. And I've paired it with my Gucci Dionysus bag, which has come to be a real staple in my wardrobe, surprisingly. A few years ago, I really thought that wouldn't stick. Also, my watch is from Olivia Burton. I've also got a Dior friendship bracelet on as well, and my rings are Versace, Olivia Burton, and Etro. The next outfit, I love hate. This is one of the ones where I feel like I pushed myself out a little bit and wore something that isn't necessarily like traditionally my style, but actually when you throw this bag and shoes on with it, it really works. Can't remember what the skirt is from. I'll try and find out and link it. The top is from Zara, the bag is Chanel, and the shoes are Zara, but they're like Chanel kind of like rip-offs, and I just live for them. Here we go, here's the scrunchie. I love a scrunchie at the moment. Anything to make the vibe kind of a bit more 90s, I'm so up for. I also think with the Chanel Jumbo, a scrunchie goes really well. Like, Chanel Jumbos to me just scream like 90s. There's something about Chanel really that just does scream like 90s fashion to me. But I think the two work really beautifully together. And then with the Chanel-esque shoes, it's just a real look and I live for it. I also have these Zara shoes, which you're going to see a lot in this video. I'm loving them at the moment. They've got this tiny clear heel. It's actually very cute, and that bag is also from Zara. I really like that look actually. With the hair down, it looks cool. Big bag, love, yeah, cool, go me. I big myself up a lot, you'll see that in this video. This skirt is from Zara as well. I picked this up recently for some styling videos because the only black skirt I have is really smart, and I've paired it with this Mulberry bag. This is a very like profesh look. I feel like if you worked in an office, this would be amazing for summertime. These boots are from Topshop. I love them. And the Gucci Dionysus bag. These get paired together a lot. I just think it's a really nice look. Oh, cracking out the Topshop trousers from last summer. These are so huge on me now, so you see me hoiking them up a lot at the moment, but I'm loving them. They work really nicely with my Raid sandals because they're platform, and these trousers are very long on me. I love this look. Like, I am obsessed with it. There we go. You can see me like hoiking the waist in. This works really nicely with my Saint Laurent bag because the top is obviously black and you've got the leather black handles and then the sandy colour of the rest of the bag, which works so nicely. I actually look at this outfit, I'm like, fuck me, I actually look like I've got my shit together when I wear this outfit. Like, this is amazing. Yeah, yes girl. You can really tell I enjoy these styling videos, like the way I pose. Like, I watch these back and I'm like, oh, you really liked that outfit, didn't you, babe? Like, look at you pose, well done. Oh, cute. And then just for the lols, I've thrown on a pink top in case you like a bit of colour. I always like throw this on and then kind of change back out of it straight away because pink is still not 100% my comfort zone. I'm kind of getting used to it. This is me kind of like playing about with it and trying to get used to like the fact that pink works now that I've changed my hair colour. So this top is from Zara. The hair clips are from ASOS, I believe. I'll try and find some similar ones because I think they're out of stock now. And again, just switched back to the sandals and basket bag for a second before moving on to the next outfit. This shirt dress is from ASOS. I think it's a brand on ASOS. I'll link to it, as with everything. It'll be in the info box. I like this look. It's cute. It's kind of like, am I going to the office or beach? I don't even know. And then I'm throwing on this belt from Zara. I've got a couple like this. I really like them. They're very stretchy, so whatever your waist is doing, it'll just like adjust. It's fab. And I like the marble buckle to it. It looks so much more expensive than it is. And then I'm switching things up a little bit, throwing the Zara sandals back on. I actually was watching this through earlier and I was like, where am I going with this? Yeah, cute, but where are you going with this outfit? And then I carried on and I was like, wow, yeah, yes, I'm living for this. Oh, the hairband is so cute. I actually have been struggling with what to wear so much recently and I don't know why I didn't just watch the edit of this back. Oh, so cute. Very Blair Waldorf. Such a vibe. Yeah. Oh yeah, look, you can tell she's really feeling that leather jacket, bless her. Cute. Yeah. Work it. Yeah, cute. Does anyone else feel like I'm doing like a golf commentary on this? Wow, I'm so sorry. Now this, I've mixed things up a little bit here. I like this. I'm throwing on my Ganni Space Cowgirl boots. I really like this look. It works kind of like when you're moving into autumn as well. Oh, we're throwing the hair up. The scrunchie is back. Yeah. Anyway. This dress is from Zara. I can't wait till we actually have a little bit of a heat wave so that I can wear this more often, because at the moment it's just raining constantly and that is not appropriate. The shoes are also from Zara, also living for those. Bag is Topshop. I can't remember if that's still in stock, but I thought I'd throw in some colour. We all love a bit of yellow. Yep. You give them a shoulder. Yeah. And then I'm just switching out the tie belt on that white dress for the brown belt again. It was actually my original vision when I bought both the belt and the dress. I wanted to wear them together. And again, just throwing my hair up. I really like doing hair in these videos. Let me know if you would like me to kind of do more of that. I really do feel like hair really changes an outfit. I'm actually quite impressed with that little like dangling loose bits. Like, that's new for me. I don't normally do that. Yep, throwing the Gucci Dionysus on with that again. Love it. Cute. Yeah. I really like this look. It's going to be great for like summer barbecues and stuff like that where you want to like look nice. Got a like white and black party for something as well. I might wear that too, maybe. We'll see. And then just to give you a little bit of variation, we're throwing on the Chloe bag and YSL sandals. This is nice if you want to wear flats. Cute. I've got a hair clip in as well. I'll try and find out which one that is. This dress is from Zara. Again, wearing the Zara belt with it. And the boots from Topshop are making a comeback. I really like this look. Like, that dress looks so nothing on the hanger, but nice belt and a nice pair of boots, it really does make all the difference. I'm just taking my hair down. Such a like nice, relaxed, kind of like slightly edgy look. I feel like those boots really add an edge to everything. And again, we're seeing the Dionysus and the Topshop boots. Classic. And then I'm switching up the belt a bit. I thought I'd go for a slightly different variant on this outfit, depending on what you have. This belt is also from Zara. It's very similar to the other one, but just like a slightly different vibe. The sandals are back. And then we've got the little YSL belt bag that I have that I very rarely actually use as a like bum bag / belt bag. I usually throw it on like this. I really like it. Doesn't fit a lot, but YOLO. I really like the sandals. I can't wait till it's not raining in the UK anymore so I can actually wear those. Then we've got this jacket dress, which is from Pretty Little Thing. I bought this back in January, I think, and it has served me so well. It works beautifully in the winter with over-the-knee boots, and it's proving very, very handy this summer. It goes with everything. I've got a real thing with wearing it with cowboy boots at the moment, but for this, I've just paired it with the Zara sandals and my YSL bag. And then the Zara heels and the Chloe bag are making a reappearance. I really like this look, actually. It's really cute. So yeah, these are some nice like day to night transitions we've got going on here. It's cute. I like it. I like my own work. Wow. Just really bigging myself up. Then I thought I'd throw on my Topshop snake print shoes with this, which I really need to take the tags off of on the bottom. Does anyone else have issues just getting those off? And I've paired it with my Chanel bag. I just like this. It's more like pulled together, kind of smarter version of what I've been doing previously. The boots are going back on. I like these videos because I like the fact that I get to reuse all my accessories, and it shows like if you do buy good accessories, you don't have to kind of buy new things all the time. Like I can just throw a different kind of item on and it really changes up the look. And we're going for a hair switch. High ponytail, very 90s. I really love that look actually. Like, oh my God, I just love this dress. I live for it. I'll try and find something similar for you guys. And this final look actually is a little bit kind of more festively. So this is how you could wear a dress like that, like a shirt dress, in a more like casual way, but it's still kind of smart as well. So just throwing a leather jacket on with it. This actually isn't my favourite, but I think if I was going to a festival or I just wanted to look a little bit more like edgy versus like girly, this would be the one. Those boots are Topshop, by the way, and the jacket is Zara. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Let me know if you like me talking throughout these as well.